can train you in just 9 months. They're online at bordertesting.com or give me a call right now.
Bless you.
Make a difference in your life and somebody else.
Hey, you!
I got it on tape.
Did you?
Yeah.
That should make a... I approve this message.
John Sununu running from his record, running from George Bush. Sununu voted in lockstep with Bush's failed economic agenda. Doubled national debt. Sununu voted for $17 billion in giveaways to big oil.